Pomegranate juice is a delicious and healthy drink that can provide you with many health benefits. We will discuss 5 incredible pomegranate juice benefits to help you make your decision on whether or not pomegranate juice is for you. 5 benefits of pomegranate juice. 1. Pomegranate juice is low in calories. Pomegranates are low in calories, which means pomegranate juice can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or drink without worrying too much about weight gain. Pomegranates also have other benefits for your health, such as being high in antioxidants and potassium. 2. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants. Pomegranates have been found to be high in antioxidants, which are substances that protect cells against the harmful effects of oxidative stress. One study done by researchers at USC's Keck School of Medicine showed pomegranates could even help repair DNA damage and reduce cell death. 3. Pomegranate juice is high in potassium. Pomegranates are high in potassium, which may help to prevent blood pressure problems. Researchers have found that pomegranates could be a natural way of preventing hypertension and regulating your heart rate. Pomegranates also provide other benefits for your health, such as being low calorie. 4. Pomegranate juice is high in vitamin C. Pomegranates are high in vitamin C, which may help your immune system and keep you healthy. Pomegranates can also provide other health benefits, such as providing energy. 5. Pomegranate juice is low in fructose. Pomegranates are low on the glycemic index, which means pomegranate juice can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or drink without worrying too much about weight gain. Pomegranate juice also has other benefits for your health, such as being high in antioxidants and potassium.